how to separate backups on your iDevices. Suppose you have two iDevices and you want two separate backups. You don't want them to share the same information. Well, if you have an iPod, you would restore that iPod to, say, factory settings. Well, here it's an iPhone, but let's say it's an iPod. Once you do that, you would go in and then change the name of that iPod to something other than Tony Phone or Tony whatever. Just change the name. In a Mac, this is what it would look like. But a PC is not that much different. You're just going to go in, click on the name right beside the icon of the phone, and change it. After that, you want to back that iPod up with its new name, with its new cleared factory settings. And you back it up manually here on the PC. However, afterward, you're going to next back it up to iCloud. So you want to set up all of your backups now to automatically back up to iCloud. It'll back that up under its new name for the separated device. After this, I'm going to show you just a few things in the device or the general settings that help you out there. So again, you've changed the name, and then you've backed it up with restored settings, and then you set it to back up through the iCloud from this point on under the new name. You'll have to, once you go into settings, is to get into your iCloud tab. And so we'll do that now. Then we'll next click the Storage Backup tab. And then within that tab, you'll see the iCloud Backup tab. And then you're going to make sure that your phone or your iPod is switched to on. That'll back up your system every night, or your device every night automatically, with whatever changes you've made to the iPod during that day, and thus allowing you to have a different backup from your iPhone, two separate backups. Let's go back to where we can go get into the Generals tab. So you'll get into the General tab by clicking on that. Usage tab, clicking on that. And then manage usage under all of your apps. So that's the amount of data each one of your apps on that device is taking up in the cloud, that is. And so this is how you verify that what you've done is correct. Here I have multiple devices, all with multiple backups, different backups. And so you should have one for your iPod, and in this case, one for my iPhone, which is separate from the other devices. And you can take a look into each device and click and decide which ones or which apps you want stored on the cloud. But that's how you're able to, again, to have multiple devices with multiple backups. And just as a note, all of these little clips will be done using iMovie. Just that simple.